Hola and welcome back to Kim at Home. In today's video, it's all about what I ate in a day. When I tell you there is a polar vortex outside, -3 degrees, it's real up in these streets, okay? So your girl is staying in the house with her sweater that has a hole in the right sleeve, so don't come at me because I'm at home minding my own business about to cook some good food. I'm gonna start out with making myself some bacon for breakfast and having some fruit as well. If you are new here, I am Kim, K-Y-M. My videos really pertain to home life, so it's cooking, cleaning, doing repairs, DIYs, home projects, that sort of thing. Homemaking in general is something that I'm really good at, so why not make content about it? Plus, a lot of people are interested in what things go on in other people's houses, how they do things, and all that great stuff. Before you leave out, please do not forget to hit subscribe. Also, show the like button some love, as it really does help my channel. When I opened up the refrigerator to get the bacon, I noticed there was a weird smell, and then I thought about it like, I made cabbage last week and I forgot to throw out the remaining pieces of cabbage, so I want to go ahead and get rid of that. And of course, there's always a mess at the bottom of my pantry.
We could be good friends, yeah, we could be good friends. We could be good friends, we could be good friends. We could be good friends. Be good friends. We could be good friends, yeah. We could be good friends. We could be good friends, yeah. Each time you leave me, it's harder. Feels like I'm stuck underwater. Can't hold my breath. Can't hold my breath. Don't know what's there. Every day, look away. Na 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 na. Every day, look away.
Is it just me? Is it just my dishwasher, really, where you have to check every single dish before you put it away? That's what I was doing in that last clip, just checking over the silverware to make sure that it was all clean before I put it away. There were some silverware that I had to put back in the sink. The other thing that I did right before that is I was taking out the ingredients because I decided I wanted to make some sort of meat pie, some spaghetti, and then a really big salad. In this household, we need options when we eat. So my breakfast was an apple, a little clementine orange thing, as well as some bacon. And I also drink cold brew in the morning with some Italian sweet cream. Thanks to my girl Sherry all the way in Japan. You got me being a snob when it comes to creamer. I have been trying to stay away from like bread and rice and potatoes, but I figure since it's really cold outside, I'm gonna eat some bread and some rice and potatoes, okay? Actually, it'll just be bread and noodles. I will say I noticed a big difference in my stomach. I was not as bloated when I kept that out of my diet. What I did is I increased my fiber in my vegetables. So I've been eating a lot of beans. I've been eating a lot of salads. Every single day for the last 2 weeks, I've had a salad. And you know, you can change your salads up and make them real creative and real good. Your girl knows how to make a salad, okay? I get it from my mama. Say hello to her in the comments. Her name is Charlene. Also, let me know how you're doing, what you're watching, what you're reading. I decided that I do not like that show, The Rig, that I told y'all about last time. So hopefully nobody watched it. It was a little weird. I don't know what was going on. I don't even want to know what was going on. All I know is 5 episodes in, I was like, yeah, I'm good. I have a couple shows on my list that I will be watching hopefully this weekend because it's going to be cold and I'm not trying to go anywhere. But yeah, you'll have to let me know what you've been up to, what interesting things you're working on. Also, another thing that I thought about doing is puzzles. Let me know if you are a person who likes to do puzzles. I decided to make a simple pizza dough recipe, so I'll leave the exact recipe. I got it from Pinterest. I'll leave it below in the description box in case you're interested. I will say I'm going to use this recipe again, but the next time I'm going to add melted butter along with the olive oil, because the olive oil does make it real doughy and real crisp at the same time. I know that doesn't make sense, but just trust me on that. I feel like if I would have added a little butter to it, it would have been great, because in my household, everything's better with butter. Let me know if you're a lover of music. For me, I can pretty much listen to a plethora of different genres of music. I don't like any kind of heavy metal, not a country fan or anything like that. But the song that's currently on reminds me of Norah Jones. Let me know if you know who Norah Jones is. Anyway, I wanted to tell you that in this recipe, you'll notice that I put some seasoning and some spices in the actual flour dough. The only thing it called for in the recipe was garlic, but your girl likes flavor, okay? So I added some additional spices, and I already showed you that a few clips back. Just wanted to put that out there in regards of that recipe that you're gonna get, because it doesn't have all of the different spices that I added in the recipe. It only has garlic powder. 'Cause people get so easily bored. You better stay in those arms forever, where happy thoughts can live again. Yeah, we got older, but still good together, together. 'Cause you and I, we got the vibe, we got the vibe. Yeah, you and I, still got the vibe, still got the vibe. Let me tell you something. Cooking and cleaning at the same time is where it's at. I am not about to have a sink full of dishes after I'm finished cooking and eating just to have to handle that. Like, I can do it at the same time. If you need a step-by-step tutorial, I have plenty of videos that do have like step-by-step what you do when your meat is browning, what you need to do when X, Y, and Z is going on. But if you need more of a breakdown, just let me know and I will film that for you. How are you doing and how is your mental health? What are you doing to pour love into yourself? In my videos, I like to talk about mental health awareness. I like to talk about pouring love into yourself. I like to talk about self-care. I like to talk about being a better person every time you wake up in the morning. How do we start that? We say affirmations. We look in the mirror and we say, I am worthy. I am enough. Everything always works out in my favor, but you have to believe it. Don't just say it. Believe it in your heart. Believe it in your bones. I want you to be to a place where you can convince yourself that the sky is orange. And if somebody comes up to you and says, no, actually the sky is blue, you're going to be like, no, it's orange. Convince yourself that you are enough. Convince yourself that you are loved, you are worthy, you are needed. Once you start pouring love into yourself, it's so much easier to pour love into others, to be kind to others. Think about all the energy it takes to be a mean human. It really does, like for real. I know for me, when I'm mean to people, I do not like the person that I am. Sometimes I feel like they deserve it, but at the end of the day, it's like, I can't allow you to take my power by you saying something nasty to me and me reacting, matching your energy. What is powerful is walking away. What is powerful is looking at that person and saying, I'm surprised you feel comfortable saying that to me. Think about it. There's a lot of things that have been taken away from us in this world. How about start by taking your power back by loving on yourself and committing to be a better person? You can control the narrative in your life. You don't need anybody telling you what to do with your body. You don't need anybody telling you what to do in your home. You control the narrative. There's something that is so simple that I think about all the time. Who said breakfast food was breakfast food and that you can't eat pizza for breakfast? Because if I want pizza for breakfast, I'm going to eat pizza for breakfast. You can't tell me that that's not breakfast food. It's all your mindset, right? If you think about it, your happiness is not tied to a person. And if it is, they're controlling you. Your happiness should be tied to like a goal that you've created and that you've conquered. Girl, celebrate that, okay? I see a lot of videos with people saying, I have been sober from alcohol for 3 days. And it's like, you know what? You as a person, cheer them on. They probably need to be cheered on. Think about all the demons that they're dealing with. We really have no idea what people are dealing with in life. Just know that your mind is powerful. Whatever you dwell on is going to follow you. That energy is going to follow you all over the place. If you fill your mind with positive thoughts, everything in your life will begin to change. Trust me, I've been there. I used to be negative Nancy, y'all, like for real. Okay? For real. And now it's just like, man, I was exhausted in that period of my life. And I'm glad I'm no longer that person, but I strive to be better every single day. If you change the way that you look at things, the things that you look at will begin to change. Girl, rewind that and listen to it again, because right there, I just dropped you with a gem, okay? At the end of the day, I do care about your mental health. I hope you're doing well. Whatever it is that you need, always put it out there. It's powerful to ask for help because a lot of times we need help, whether it be talk therapy, whether it be medication, whether it be meditation, whether it be prayer. Whatever it is that you need, do it because you're worth it. And that's just on period, okay? So my husband and I have been talking about spaghetti sauce, and we've come to the agreement that Kim is about to start making homemade spaghetti sauce like I used to do back in the day. It takes about 8 to 12 hours, but it is delicious. I just don't understand why it's so hard to find a good spaghetti sauce. I don't like Prego. I don't like Ragu. I don't really like Rao's, but it's better than most of them. I don't like Hunt's anymore. So it's just like, yeah, girl, let's stop wasting time. Let's make homemade sauce. I can even freeze it. That's what I used to do when I was in my 20s. It's time to go back there. Saying all of that to say the spaghetti was decent. I mean, it was the Rao's roasted garlic. The meat pie was banging. Mine had a lot of cheese in it. So for the people in my household who don't like cheese, I don't really know if it was dry for them. They said it was good, but the cheese the cheese made it so much better. Thank you so much for taking the time to be with me today. I appreciate you. I hope that you are in a good place in your life and hope you're staying hydrated. Also, stay warm. It's really cold outside.
Oh, you need to calm down, honey. You need to calm down, honey. You need to calm down, honey. You need to calm down, 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 down. just need to calm down, honey. We need to calm down, honey.
By the time 2 p.m. rolled around, I was finished making everything. And honestly, I wasn't really hungry after I cooked because you know how you like taste things while you're cooking. So I didn't plate anything up. Here's what the food is looking like. So we have spaghetti, we have salad, and we also have the meat boats that I made. These are going to be delicious. I flavored them with butter and lots of garlic, and I'm really excited for that. So pick a meal, any meal. Plus I had my breakfast as well. So this is plenty for the day. I stand corrected. You see that clock? It was 1:43 p.m. Anyway, thanks for being here. I appreciate you.